Welcome to Excel Tip of the Day for March 11th, 2024, talking about data validation and lists. So we all know we can have a list of items that we want everybody to pick from. So if we come here, real simple, data validation, I want a list, and then I'm going to choose where I want my list to come from. So I've got those four things, okay. Drop it down, there it is. Now if I want to add to it, so let's just add auto. I come back here, it does not show. The reason it doesn't show is because when I go back to data validation, it's only looking through A2 through A5. So a couple ways that you can do this is we can either just every time you add something change the range, or you can make the range really large. The issue with making the range really large is you have blanks. It'll give you blanks. So the correct way to do this is to tie your data validation list to a table. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add a table here, which we should have done anyway. So I've got my table. I'm going to correct this god-awful formatting. Now we have a table. So now let's name our table. Our table name currently, we're under table design. Current name is table 3. Let's just call it list. And we have to remember our column name is department, or DEPT. So when we come back here, we can go to department. We go to our data validation list. Now instead of using an actual range, we're going to do a formula equals indirect. And then in quotes, we're going to put the table name, which is list. We're not going to close out the quotations yet. We're going to put an open bracket. Now we're going to tell the column name, which is DEPT. And we're going to close the column name, then we're going to close the table name, then we're going to close the parenthesis on the formula. So now when I click here, here's all of my departments. So then if I go in and let's say I delete those two or those three, come back here, it reflects that. Or if I go ahead and add awning, toilets, and ACs. These are part of this table, therefore they will be part of my drop down. A really nice and easy way to have it so that you're not consistently or continually going in and changing the range. Hope you enjoy.